guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video I'm going to be doing a date night, date day, summer date, whatever, get ready with me. I'm just going to show you how I do my makeup, and I just straightened my hair, but I just sped through that obviously because not rocket science. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And let's just get right on into the video. Okay, I have a shirt on, by the way. I have my hair up right now, by the way, just to get it out of my face. The first thing I'm taking is this Dream BB Fresh by Maybelline. I already put sunblock on and moisturizer, so I'm putting this on now because this has SPF in it as well. And now I'm going to be taking this ColourPop concealer and concealing under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Loose Powder, and I'm just going to be like setting under my eyes and stuff. Wherever I concealed, I'm going to set right now. I'm just leaving a little bit of like excess powder in some places. I just set where like I crease and where I put concealer. My dark circles are still there. But now I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, I think it is in. Yeah, and I'm going to cream contour a bit. This stuff goes a long way, so, and it dries pretty fast, so you want to like buff it out pretty quick. Okay, and that just like adds like a tiny bit of like a base for like my bronzer and contour, and it just makes it like look better in the end, because usually powders will fade on me like really fast. So when I do this, it just like kind of ensures that even when the powder does fade, there'll still be like something there. Now I'm just gonna set all over that with the same translucent powder. But I'm gonna be taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and bronzing up my face a bit. I'm using a very, very light hand. Next I'm going to be taking my contour kit, and I'm going to be like very lightly contouring. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm taking this one right here. Look at my brush, like what happened? Just very, very lightly in like the hollows of my cheekbones. And then just whatever's left on the brush under my jaw. I'm also going to take like these two shades right here, tiny bit, and put that under my contour. I'm also going to be taking more of this contour shade, like tiny bit of it, and putting it under my lip. For like a little bit of definition, you know. And then I'm going to be taking the tiniest bit of blush. I don't want to do too much. This one from BH Cosmetics, and it's called Bombshell Blush in the shade Elegant. A tiny bit of it. This stuff is really pigmented. Okay, and today I'm going to be using this little mini Too Faced chocolate bar palette. It only has like a couple shades in it and then a bronzer, but I'm going to be using most of these shades. I'm going to be using these two. Maybe a tiny bit of this one, I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to be taking the Salted Caramel one first, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm just going to keep like building it up a tiny bit more. And then I'm also going to be taking that on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to be taking this clean brush and like buffing out the edges, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Champagne Truffle, which is like a pinky shimmer. I'm going to put that on my lid. And then I'm going to take the tiniest bit of Semi Sweet, which is the dark one on the bottom. Tiny little bit, like one dab, and put that on my outer corner like that. But then I'm going to be taking it on this flat brush, again like one dab, and then I'm going to put it on as close to my bottom lash line as I can, just on the outer half. Next, I'm going to do some highlighter, and I'm going to be taking these two from the Carly Bible palette. I'm also taking that on a smaller brush. And I'm just going to like tap over that just so it's not so harsh. Now I'm going to go curl my eyelashes and do my mascara off camera because I hate doing it on camera. Okay, I'm back. And I just also brushed out my eyebrows because I'm not putting anything on them, and I just put on some chapstick. But I'm going to put stuff on my lips. They're just a little crusty. I love glosses, so that's what I'm doing. But first I'm going to put on this MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. And then I'm going to be taking this Estee Lauder lip gloss in the shade Seductive Honey. It's just like a pinky orangey type of thing with the gold reflex. Now I'm just going to straighten my hair. I'm going to split it off into two sections. I broke an eyeshadow all over my rug, and it's all on the bottom of my foot, and it's a dark brown. Like dark, like black basically. I just finished straightening my hair. Now I'm just gonna set my face, and that will be it. Okay, that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like how the makeup turned out. I mean, it was a get ready with me really, so it wasn't really a tutorial. Probably gonna go film another video now. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow.